Hello.
Hi.
So, what do you even get to? So, where do you even get to? Oh, please.
Sir,
Yes.
we got to the part where we are multiplying the y.
Okay, so you realize that as I was explaining, I said, so now,
As I was explaining, I said,
oh, please, everyone should mute him or herself. So we got to dy dx, and we said dy dx is equal to dy du plus du dx, right? Then we said that then after solving it, but now let me explain something. You bear with me that this is the same as this, because if you want to cancel, let me put it this way, if you want to cancel, if you still want to get a dy all over dx back, you know that this will cancel this. Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Yes.
Maybe the way it is written, so you see it. Maybe you have the y. But I hope you can see when you write it well. When you write it well, you can see what I'm meaning. So realize that this du is on top and this one is down. So when you cancel it, you still come and get your dy all over dx back. I hope you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So exactly I meant. So, but we were able to get our dy du. We had our dy du to be dy slash du to be equal to, what do we get? Dy du, what do we get?
2u.
We had 2u. And we had a du dx to be equal to 4x. So 4x. So then we are going to substitute this into the first equation. So our dy dx is equal to 2u times multiplied by 4x, right? That's what we had.
Yes.
Looking at the formula. But you bear with me that so what we can do is that dy dx is equal to what? 2 times 4 will give us this multiplication, so we can multiply. So 2 times 4 will give us 8.
8.
So I'm going to get 8xu. I hope I'm not wrong.
Yes.
But you know that right from onset we said let u be equal to what? Right from onset we said let u be equal to what? 2x
Plus 1.
2x squared, right? Two x squared plus
1.
So now anywhere we see u, we can factor or we can substitute this into the equation. So
Yes.
so now we can get our dy dx is equal to 8x into bracket 2x raised to the power 2 plus 1 bracket close. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So we can multiply, we can however multiply through. So our dy dx is equal to 8x will give us what? 16x, eh? I'm going to get 16x squared plus what? 8x. 8x. So this will be our answer.
Okay.
It should be cube.
X cube.
Sorry. So cube. So we are going to get this.
Okay.
Are we good to go?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes. So this will be our answer. And so this is what we call the chain rule. So let me give you one to try. Now let's do another one. Let's do another one. So for instance, when you're giving, can I clean it? Are you done writing? Or you let me
Yes.
do it.
Yes.
Can I clean it? Can I clean it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to erase it. So, for instance, you are given differentiate 4x into bracket. Differentiate into bracket 4x minus 5. Raise the power 3. So raise the power 3. Differentiate with respect to x. So we are going to use the same procedure. What was the first procedure you are going to use? What is the first thing you are going to do? You are going to assign u to the one in the bracket. Are you getting it? And so you can say if u is equal to 4x
2x
minus 5, then our y will now become, don't forget that the whole of this is equal to y, so it's a function. So our y will become u raised to the power of 3 to u raised to the power of 3. I'm going to get this. Now then we come and quote this formula. dy all over dx is equal to dy all over du plus du all over dx. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find for dy du. So dy du is given by, what is our u? This is our dy du. So we are differentiating this. So this one I'm going to get 3 what? U raised to the power 2. Are we there?
Yes.
Yes, we are going to get 3 u raised to the power 2. Then from there we are going to find our du all over dx. So du all over dx should give us, what is our u? This is our u.
3u.
So this one I'm going to get only 4. Our du will be equal to only 4. I hope you get it. Because this will become a constant. There's a constant, so this will go to 0. Then the x will go. So this one will be x raised to the power 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And so any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So I'm going to get 4. Are we there? Then we come and substitute into our general formula.
Sir.
Yes.
This said that dy is equal to dy u times or plus.
Plus du dx. Which one? Is it this general formula?
Yes.
Yes. So it's dy du plus du dx.
No. Sir, is it not times?
It's plus this. Hey, sorry, times. Hey. Times. Pardon me.
Sorry.
So put times there. Kindly put times there. Put times there. So thank you. So we are going to get, so now dy dx. Dy dx will now be giving us what? What are you getting? We are going to multiply them. So we are going to get 3u raised to the power 2 times what? 4. That's all we are getting, no? After getting this, when we multiply, what are we going to get? 12.
Yes.
12u, u, raise the power, where's the power, crap? Raise the power 2. Are we there? But we know that, but u is equal to 4x minus 5. So you substitute anywhere we see u, you are going to get dy slash dx is equal to 12 into bracket. Oh, please, those of us. So 12 into bracket, what are you getting? 12 into bracket 4x minus 5. Anna?
Yeah.
Raise the power 2, eh?
Yes.
Yes.
So dy dx will be, we will get, so we can decide to multiply through or whatever I want to do. We can decide to multiply through, so we can get 12. We can do the mathematics. Oh, if a person, we can just leave it like that. So this will be our final answer. So 4x minus 5. Read the power. Please, if your distance is muted, no, Benedicta, mute your distance. Mute your distance. So that's what we are going to get. Now, this one to realize that this one is a long process. And so what you are going to do, you are going to find a simpler way of doing it. And with this simpler way, you realize that looking at this formula, and looking at this, we can deduce a formula for it. So that immediately I see, for instance, me, if you give me this, if you are giving me this question, I can just look at this and tell you the answer. You get it? So I'm going to show you the formula that will enable, or that will help you to be able to tell the formula right away. And so the formula states that. So for instance, can I please clean the board?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now if you are giving something like this, so the formula says that if u is a function of, I know when I write this, you know it's a function. It's a function of x and y is equal to u raised to the power n. Then dy all over du, dy all over dx should be equal to nu raised to the power n minus 1 times du all over dx. So there's the formula. So when you are giving something like this, you can simply just do it this way. So there's the formula. Now let's pick a question so that we understand. So for instance, let's still use the same formula with this thing we are given. So we are given what? Please tell me the question. Is it 4x into brackets?
4x minus 5 into bracket.
I'm coming, please. Into bracket 4x minus 5, eh?
Yes.
Brackets close, raise the power
3.
So that's what we are given. So y is equal to this. That's what we are given. Now, then the question is find the dy dx, eh? Slash dx. And so now, but looking at the formula, the question, the formula says if u is a function of x, No use the function. I'm already we per the first one, per the composite, we said that we are going to let this the whole of this stand for what? You studied that, so we already know. So at the back of our mind, we know that the whole of this is standing for u. And so if you use the function of x, so yeah, when we say if you use the function of x, we are just trying to say that we are going to differentiate u with respect to x, and y is equal to u raised to the power n. And so that means when we are to find it, just as we solved in the first question, you realize that when we substitute u into this, then we are going to get y is equal to u raised to the power u raised to the power 3. You know we had that. So this also explains this. So when we want to compare this to this, compare the whole of this to this, then we are going to say that if y is equal to u raised to the power n, then that means n is equal to what? 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now the formula is saying that to not to say a whole of a long thing, what we are just going to do is when we are given a question like this, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to multiply this here. We are going to multiply this here. We are going to multiply this here, like what we've been doing for our normal normal differentiation. So our dy slash dx give us, we multiply the power here, so that's what we had 3 times u, and we know the whole of this is equal to u, so 3 times u, so that's it. So I'm going to get 3 u raise the power, we know just as we do it, n minus 1, so we are going to get 3 minus 1 will give us what? 2. Then we are going to find for du dx, and you know du dx is we are going to differentiate this with respect to x. Now when we differentiate this with respect to x, what are we going to get?
4.
4. So by 4, and so you know this one is very simple. We are going to get dy dx is equal to 3u, 4 times 3 will give us what? 12. 12u into bracket 2. But we know our u is equal to 4x minus 5. And so dy dx is equal to 12. Our u is 4x, so we are going to get 4x minus 5. Sorry, minus 5 raised to the power 2. Do you get it? So it's the same as the first one. But with this one, it's just simple. You can just look at it with the formula. And so for instance, let's do one example. For instance, when you're giving something like this, let's say you're giving y is equal to 4x squared. So you can write 4x squared plus 1. 4x squared plus 1, or into bracket raise to the power 7. So when you're giving this is very simple. We can just use this formula. We can just look at this formula in this. So what we are first going to do is we are going to multiply this here. We are going to bring this one here. But at the back of our mind, we know that this one is equal to u. That one we already know, or we don't know.
We know.
So y is equal to 7 will come here. So 7 we multiply here. So we are going to get 7. So here the 7 is our n. So we are going to get 7 by, we are going to differentiate the whole of this. When we differentiate the whole of this, what are we going to get? If you like, we can just maintain the same u. This is the u. This is u here. So we can just maintain the same this. So we are going to get 4x raise to the power 2 plus 1. Then we are going to differentiate the u plus 1 raise to the power 7 minus 1 will give us what? 6. Times, let's differentiate the whole of this. When you differentiate the whole of it, what are you going to get? 8x. I hope I'm not lying.
Yeah.
I'm going to get 8x. So 8x. So then what we are going to do is 8x times 7. What are we going to get? Y is equal to 8x times 7. 8 times 7 will give us what? 56. I hope I'm not lying too. Is it 56?
Yes.
So we are going to
Yes.
get 56x. 56x into brackets the whole of this. 4x raised to the power 2 plus 1 raised to the power 6. You see, this one is very simple. So whichever way, anyone there convenient now, you can be able to use it. So this one is also under the chain rule or something. Now let me give you one to try. Let me give you one. And I want to give you a simple one so that in the evening I'll give you more questions. In the evening I have some difficult questions so that now let's do this. Do this for me. Y is equal to, so there's no root here. Y is equal to square root, right? Square root. Y is equal to square root. What's wrong?
Yes.
I.
Oh wow, wow. Y is equal to square root of x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1. Please do it for me. Do it for me right now. What did we get?
X over root x squared plus 1.
X over root x squared plus 1. Eh?
Yes.
Who else? Maureen, what did you get?
So I had x times into bracket x squared plus 1 into close bracket exponent half negative half.
Oh, okay. That one too is correct. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Daniela, what did you get?
Said the same as Maureen too.
Harriet, what did you get? Harriet, what did you get? Harriet, what did you get? Janet, what did you get?
So I had X.
You had what?
X but X plus 1.
Plus 1 raise the power. There's supposed to be a certain raise the power.
Negative half.
Negative half, correct? They are all correct. They are all correct. Rama, what do you get? Rama, what do you get? Rama, what do you get? Okay, so let's listen. Who didn't understand? Who didn't understand? Who didn't understand that we have to go over again? Okay. So let's do this 1, 2 for me. In about 10 minutes time, you end the class. Let's do this for me.
Hello.
Let's do this for me. Y is equal to 2 all over. Y is equal to. Y is equal to. So Y is equal to. It's equal to 2 all over. Let's do this one for me. Y is equal to 2 all over root x minus 1. Root 3x minus 1. So Y is equal to 2 all over root 3x minus 1. 3x squared minus 1. Natural go. Gold. So just want to upload it on the YouTube page, and so when you listen, or you need it, you go and listen. Or you need it, you go and you can just go and go through. What do you get, Maureen? What do you get? Maureen, what do you get? Maureen, what do you get? Maureen is not even here. Asha, what do you get? Hello.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. Hey, Rama, what do you get? Janet.
Say,
Yeah,
I
what do
have
you get?
negative 6x into bracket 6x squared minus 2
Into bracket.
exponent into bracket 6x squared minus 2 exponent negative 3 over 2.
Check your into bracket now. It's not 6x. Check it.
Okay.
Check it. Daniela, what do you get?
Add negative 6x into bracket 6x squared minus 2.
Where from the 2? Don't forget that.
6.
Don't forget that we maintain the u, so we don't differentiate or we don't do anything to the u. The one
Oh,
is
okay, 6.
so check.
Okay.
Say,
Yes. What do you
I
get?
got into bracket 3x squared minus 1 all to the power negative half minus 6x into bracket 3x squared minus 1 to the power negative 3 over 2.
Hey. Let's do it. You have about 2 minutes. Let's see if you can do it.
Say,
Yo.
may I add negative 6x into bracket 3x squared minus 1 into exponent negative 3 all over 2.
Correct. So let's do it. Let's try it. Those of us who didn't sit up or who weren't fumbled small, I think you are all on the same path. So we know that dy all over dx.
So you can't use the product rule.
He said I can use the what? This one, you don't have to use the product rule. You don't have to use the product rule. It's just simple. So you are given 2 all over. So you are given what? 2 raised to the power. So just what we are just going to write it. Let me put it this way. This way I'm going to get 3x squared 3x squared minus 1. Yes, I'm going to bring bracket. So this is what we had. So that's why we are. So we are just going to multiply this by this. We are going to get. We are using the same principle way. So dy all over dx is equal to this. Will multiply this. We are going to get 2 by minus 1 all over 2. But you into brackets 3x to the power 2 minus 1. Then this will you subtract 1 from the half. So,